Huawei is finally preparing one of the biggest changes ever for its Mate series, and this upgrade could completely change how users unlock their phones. After years of using side-mounted fingerprint scanners, the upcoming Huawei Mate 90 lineup may finally switch to advanced ultrasonic fingerprint technology. And honestly, this could make the Mate 90 series feel far more premium and futuristic than previous generations. A fresh leak from Chinese tipster Smart Pikachu on Weibo claims that Huawei has already started testing ultrasonic fingerprint sensors for several upcoming devices. But the most interesting part is that the Huawei Mate 90 series was specifically mentioned in the leak. That strongly suggests Huawei is seriously considering bringing this new security feature to its next flagship phones in 2026. For a long time now, Huawei has stayed loyal to side-mounted fingerprint scanners. Most Mate phones integrated the fingerprint reader directly into the power button on the side of the device. These sensors were actually very fast and reliable. Even with screen protectors, they usually worked without any major problems. Many users also preferred them because of their quick response time, but despite being reliable, side-mounted fingerprint sensors also had a few weaknesses. On large flagship phones, reaching the side button can sometimes feel uncomfortable, especially during one-handed use. There is also the issue of accidental touches, where the phone unlocks unintentionally while being picked up or adjusted in the hand. And perhaps the biggest reason Huawei may finally move away from this system is the premium smartphone trend itself. Most modern flagship phones now use under-display fingerprint sensors, especially ultrasonic ones. So if Huawei truly wants the Mate 90 series to compete with the best premium devices in the market, this upgrade makes perfect sense. Now the big question is, what exactly makes ultrasonic fingerprint technology special? Unlike traditional capacitive fingerprint scanners, ultrasonic sensors use high-frequency sound waves to scan the finger. Instead of simply reading the surface of the skin, these sensors create a detailed 3D map of the fingerprint. That includes the ridges, valleys, and even tiny pores on the skin. This makes the system much more secure and much harder to fool. A fake fingerprint or printed image usually cannot trick an ultrasonic scanner because it reads deep details beneath the skin surface. Another major advantage is reliability. Traditional fingerprint sensors sometimes struggle when fingers are wet, greasy, or dirty. Ultrasonic sensors are much better in these situations. Even if hands are slightly wet after washing or sweaty during hot weather, the scanner can still recognize fingerprints accurately. That means the unlocking experience could become smoother and faster in everyday use. Instead of repeatedly touching the sensor, users may get near-instant recognition almost every time. And there is another reason this matters so much. Huawei has been pushing premium innovation heavily over the past few years. From foldable devices to advanced camera systems and powerful AI features, the company clearly wants its flagship phones to feel cutting edge. Adding ultrasonic fingerprint technology would fit perfectly into that strategy. At the moment, the leak only focuses on the fingerprint sensor upgrade. There are still no detailed specifications about the Mate 90 series itself. No confirmed information about cameras, processor upgrades, battery improvements, or display changes has appeared yet. However, if Huawei is already testing ultrasonic technology now, it suggests the company is preparing some meaningful hardware improvements behind the scenes. Usually, security upgrades like this are introduced alongside broader premium design refinements. There is also a chance Huawei could redesign the overall front experience of the Mate 90 lineup. Since ultrasonic sensors sit under the display, they allow for a cleaner and more modern look without relying on side buttons for biometric unlocking. And honestly, this might be the kind of upgrade longtime Huawei fans have been waiting for. The Mate series has always been known for innovation, but many users felt the side-mounted fingerprint sensor was starting to feel outdated compared to rivals using advanced under-display systems. If the leak turns out to be accurate, the Mate 90 series could finally close that gap and deliver a flagship experience that feels fully modern from top to bottom. Of course, since this information comes from leaks and testing reports, nothing is officially confirmed yet. Huawei could still change plans before launch, but the fact that multiple devices are reportedly evaluating ultrasonic fingerprint technology makes this rumor much more believable. The next few months should reveal more details about Huawei's upcoming flagship lineup. And if more leaks continue appearing, the Mate 90 series may become one of the most exciting smartphone launches of 2026. So, would an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor make the Huawei Mate 90 more interesting for you? Drop thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more latest smartphone leaks and updates.